everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, in Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're checking out one of the most iconic luxury SUVs on the market, the 2025 Cadillac Escalade. This is way more than just a vehicle, it's a statement. Cadillac has really stepped it up with this year's model. So let's dive into what makes the Escalade one of the most talked about luxury SUVs of 2025. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice is that bold design. Cadillac's signature grille, along with these sleek headlights, gives it a serious presence on the road. This isn't just any luxury SUV, it's a true American icon, with all the elegance and authority you'd expect. Now, stepping inside, and wow, you're instantly surrounded by luxury. The 2025 Escalade's interior craftsmanship is next level. There's top-grade leather everywhere, real wood rims, and this massive 38-inch OLED display that stretches across the dash. Cadillac really didn't miss a single detail, everything in here just feels top-notch. And that OLED display, it's not just for show, it's fully functional. You've got access to everything, from navigation to entertainment, and yes, it's super clear, making the whole driving experience even better. Cadillac's infotainment system is really smooth and easy to use. And it's not just the front seats that are amazing. In the back, passengers have plenty of space, their own climate controls, and even entertainment screens. If you go for the extended ESV model, that third row is just as comfortable, too. So, if comfort and space are high on your list, the Escalade has you covered. Now, let's talk power. The 2025 Escalade definitely doesn't hold back. Under the hood, you've got a 6.2-liter V8 engine with 420 horsepower. Or, if you're thinking electric, Cadillac now offers the Escalade IQ, bringing all-electric performance and zero emissions. Both versions give you a smooth, commanding ride, and with four-wheel drive, this SUV can handle any road you throw at it. Long highway drives, off-road trails, the Escalade is ready for it all. One standout feature in this 2025 model is Cadillac's Super Cruise technology. This is hands-free driving at its best, using cameras, sensors, and GPS to make those long drives practically effortless. It's not just luxury, it's intelligent luxury. Imagine cruising along with no hands on the wheel and the Escalade handling everything. It's like a glimpse into the future. And, of course, safety is a top priority for Cadillac. The Escalade is packed with safety features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and even night vision. It feels like the Escalade is constantly watching out for you. With all this advanced safety tech, you can feel confident every time you're on the road. Let's not forget about practicality. The Escalade has tons of cargo space, especially with the ESV model. Just press a button, and the automatic liftgate opens up to reveal plenty of room for luggage, sports equipment, whatever you need. And if you need even more space, the flat folding seats make expanding that area super easy. So, is the 2025 Cadillac Escalade worth it? Absolutely. This SUV combines iconic style, cutting-edge tech, and powerful performance, all in one luxurious package. Whether you're looking for space, comfort, or the latest tech, the Escalade delivers it all. Plus, with the electric Escalade IQ, Cadillac is showing its commitment to leading the future of luxury SUVs. Thanks for watching Auto Luxury Vehicle. If you're in the market for a luxury SUV, definitely check out the 2025 Cadillac Escalade at your local dealership. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Would you go for the V8 or the electric Escalade IQ? We'd love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next video.